Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Hammer Bade 3 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to enter bootloader mode on this device. To enter the bootloader mode, you need to press and hold power button, then choose power off and wait a while. After the 10 seconds, you need to press and hold together power button and volume up buttons. Great, now you are in the bootloader mode. To move, you need to use volume up button, and to select volume down. For example, I want to normal boot, so I want to reboot in the normal mode. So I'm using volume down button and my device will reboot. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.